Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Puberty.
Let's break it down.
This word looks simple, but many people say it wrong. The correct way is puberty. Start with pu, like in pure, then ber, and finish with t. Together, puberty. Now, let's practice 3 times. Ready? Puberty. 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 If you got it right all 3 times, you just nailed a word that's often mispronounced around the world.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Puberty. 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 Puberty.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.